What's up, legends? Let's go see what Omar's doing downstairs. I bet it's pretty dope. All right, so what do we have here, Omar?
So, my board's getting a bit dirty, so I thought I'd change the grip, remove all this old one, sand this down a little bit, and then put this new Dope Grip.
Dope Grip!
Should be good.
That? All right, let's go.
All right, here we go.
So Omar is now removing his old grip tape using hairdryer. That's the first step in the installation. And while he's doing that, I'm going to talk to you a bit more about Dope Grip. It comes in 3 shapes. So the universal hexagon is the one we're using in this video. We've also got an hexagonal shape that's made specifically for the Carbon GTR by Evolve. And you've also got just a basic square that you can cut and fit to any shape you want. So what makes Dope Grip so special? First of all, it's got a super grippy surface. It's a hard grain and it's very sharp, and it's developed to provide maximum friction and really keep your feet stuck to the board. And this layer of super grippy tape is on top of a shock absorbing foam. It's a little cushion that absorbs shocks and helps to stay on the board and prevent foot fatigue. This foam is also pressure sensitive, so when you carve and you push really hard into your board, it will crush a bit more and create some kind of mini drop around your shoe, and that really locks you in. This grip tape was also designed to give you maximum grip even when wet or covered in dirt. And as you'll see in this video, it's really easy to install and easy to cut into any shape you want. So there you go. That was the little summary about our Dope Grip. And let's see how Omar's doing now. Look at that. You happy?
Yeah, that's good. We should just keep it like this.
Alright, so there's 2 ways of putting this grip tape on. So what you could do is have a big piece like this, and what they do is just remove the sticky tape just on the pieces you want to actually stick.
Right.
And then you could do like one big thing and just cut the sides, and then when you remove it, then only this part will come off,
All
because
the edges come off.
it won't be stuck, and then you have a nice uniform grip tape. But then Omar wants to do a little custom, so we just took all these little hexagons out, and he's just gonna put them the way he likes it and shape it.
Could put a half here, right?
Yeah. Looks dope. So Omar's got roughly his design, and then we're gonna sort of custom cut some pieces to fit here around his design. That would be really nice. And so what we're gonna do now is just start peeling off the back protector and start placing them very carefully. All right. You
And
want
I
to do
think
the
also
honors?
make sure that these screws are level, so I would go around and actually do
Yeah, a little tightening.
just a little tightening.
Yeah, good
before
idea.
we start.
All right, so let's do that first. So before final installation, Omar is gonna give a good wipe to the board to just remove all the dirt and grease and anything that could keep the Dope Grip from like really sticking on. And for that middle part, that clear grip tape, we couldn't really remove it. So what Omar did is he sanded it.
Using P180.
180 grit sandpaper.
So I just did all that. And you'll have a lot of dust come out, so make sure that you
give it a good smoothing, and it's now, I can tell you, it's really just like smooth now. It doesn't grip at all, and the Dope Grip should really stick on. So Omar took a picture of the arrangement he wants. so you can remember. And now it's going to start peeling tape and sticking it.
There we go. There's nothing. Wow. That doesn't move anymore. Can't even move it anymore. So
Alright.
be careful.
Yeah, this is well stuck on. Yeah, but if you make a mistake, you're done.
Screw.
Alright. Omar's going for a test ride. So I decided to remove these corners to leave the wood. But yeah, looks really nice.
Well, that doesn't move. Wow.
How does it feel?
It's very, very sticky, so you got to get used to it. Your feet won't move at all. So it's in the past with the other grip, I could still feel my feet move a little bit. This one is you're just planted.
Yeah.
So I think it's a little bit of a learning curve, but I think it's good. It's great.
Do you feel more comfortable with the padding? Did
Yeah.
you feel a difference?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's nice and soft. But I might remove these two
Yeah, that's
just to make it
a
even.
personal preference.
Yeah, but it's a good start. I like it. I think I got to get used to it. Wrong kind of shoes to ride on. But here we go again. So as soon as you put your feet on, it just doesn't move. So.
And as Omar is enjoying his ride on his new grip tape, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, as we have some really cool tutorials coming really soon. And yeah, see you next time.